I'm Brad Kuvan, editor and publisher of Metal Forming Magazine. We're here at FABTECH in Chicago for our Explore the Floor segment on press technology. I'm with Jim Landowski at the Komatsu booth. Jim's going to tell us a little bit about the press technology that Komatsu is showing at FABTECH this week. Jim?
Hey, thanks a lot, Brad. Thank you for coming to my booth here, the Metal Form section of the FABTECH show. We'll start off a little bit about the key word for the show, which is synergy. Synergy being putting all the facets together in a press that manufacturers need to increase their productivity and efficiency in their line. We've always incorporated many standard features in all the Komatsu presses, but we've enhanced it this year by adding the visual inspection system on board the press, on all presses on the new machines. The visual inspection system allows you to see exactly what's happening in every stroke of that machine. You get to see not only the tonnage left and right, you also get to see exactly where the machine touches the steel in the production process, shows you its velocity, and shows you the acceleration. So there's all the guesswork of setup is removed. Digital technology replaces the black magic of the old days. As well as having the onboard visual inspection system to give you a thumbnail view of what's going on in the process, we also have the PC link up to the on-screen version, which enhances the information that you see on the screen and monitors over 5,000 data points in every stroke of that machine. And this information can be transmitted via the Komatsu system called Press Check anywhere around the world so that you can monitor your press 24/7 no matter where you are. What we have here is the actual online display of the Komatsu Press Check. The Komatsu Press Check screen displays the operating parameters of the press, and the image you see on the screen is exactly the same image that's on the operator control interface. It monitors every action of the press as well as all the monitoring information from the auxiliary equipment with that press. We monitor the coil line, the D-stacker, scrap choppers, welding equipment, die protection. Any part of that system to make that part is monitored through Press Check. And when you get errors, Press Check will send those error messages to you when your system goes down. Because it's imperative to know if that cell goes down, what went down. And if it goes down for too long, then it has to escalate those warnings so that maintenance people can quickly get to repair the problem. As I said at the beginning of the interview, the optimum word for this show is synergy. To make sure that the press cell has all the features needed to optimize the performance of that cell. The presses themselves come in standard frame designs as C-frame or solid frame straight side presses. We have the monitoring systems that you can monitor the entire cell performance from anywhere in the world 24/7 a day, because it's important to keep that cell running, and you need to know if something does go down, why it went down, and to respond very quickly to get it back to running performance. Please come to our booth number 5231 and come to Komatsu, where high performance is never an option. See tomorrow's technology today here at Komatsu.
All right, now we're at the Komatsu plasma cutting technology booth at FABTECH. I'm here with Stephen St. Hilaire, who's going to tell us a little bit about Komatsu's plasma cutting technology that's on display at FABTECH this week. Stephen?
What we're displaying here is a 6x12 300 ampere dual purpose plasma and flame cutting torch. The only type in the world, combination plasma and flame cutting. This machine can cut from sheet metal all the way to 3-inch steel, as well as non-ferrous material, aluminum, and many other materials. So what we'll display right now is 1-inch cutting steel at 70 inches a minute. Incredible speeds. So I'll fire up the machine and we'll get a little shot here. Square cutting, 1 inch, 70 inches a minute. Very little slag, less than 1 degree bevel angle. As I explained earlier in the discussion, this dual purpose torch does flame cutting, plasma cutting. What's really amazing about this outer cap is water cooled and can be switched over in less than 30 seconds to make this machine go from plasma to flame cutting. It's an amazing process. This does not even get hot. Outer cap and consumable life is very, very long. What we've come out with this year, it's a brand new technology. It's a unitized cartridge consumable which is bonded. It is one piece and can be switched in and out of the torch in less than 30 seconds. Reduces inventory of maybe 50 different consumable pieces into one cartridge. And as I said, assembly into the torch, less than 30 seconds.